We can't open the light. Actually, you can open the TV, but that literally means opening the back, maybe to fix the TV. That's to open the TV. This action, turn off, and cannot turn on. In Vietnamese, mở TV, đúng không? We say, turn on the TV, or switch on the TV, but never open. Sometimes people tell me, can you open the air conditioner? What they mean to say is, turn on the air conditioner.
As the mechanic.
I can't fix an aircon, sorry about that. Same thing, turn on your phone, switch on your phone.
But how about the foldable phone?
All right, you got me. A foldable phone you can open. All right. Please turn on your camera for this meeting.